How to use Emergent AI App Builder. So first things first is to describe your app idea. Start with a simple or complex text-based prompt describing the app you want to create. For example, you could say build a mobile app to track daily expenses. Then the AI takes over. So the AI will ask clarifying questions to understand your requirements and refine the project scope. It will then plan the project, create a user interface, write the code, and handle the backend. Then Emergent AI also handles deployment, including hosting and SSL certificates. Then you need to preview and iterate. So you can preview your app in real time as the AI builds it. If you want to make changes or add features, simply provide additional prompts to the AI. And for example, you can ask to add a dark mode or resize button. Then you want to deploy and scale. So once you're satisfied with the app, you can deploy it to a permanent link. Then Emergent AI also supports custom domains, and as your business grows, you can request new features from the AI to scale your application. And for debugging, if you encounter any errors, you can copy the error message and paste it into the AI, and then the AI will analyze the error and suggest a fix.